Assalamu alaikum audience. So today I will discuss lecture number 70 and I have collected all these vocabulary from Dawn newspaper. So Alhamdulillah I have uploaded 70 lectures on my YouTube channel in a playlist in the name of Dawn vocabulary. So these vocabulary will help you in all competitive examinations. So the first one is clap trap. So words, ideas, it is etc. that are very much foolish or stupid or nonsense. Next one, gullible. So someone who is easily fooled or cheated or credulous. Next one, ordeal, azmaish, an experience that is very unpleasant or difficult. Next one, squatting. So the meaning of squatting, to illegally occupy a building. Another meaning of squatting, to live in a building or on a land without the owner's permission and without paying any money. Next one, Article 17. So the Constitution of Pakistan consists of 280 articles, and the Article 17 stands for to form and join a political party, because Pakistan is a democratic country and there is freedom to make a political party, to make alliances, to make union groups. There is a freedom to express his or her opinion and many more freedoms. And from article 8 to 28 there is the provision of all fundamental rights. So to make a political party or to join a political party, so it's a constitutional and fundamental human right. Next one, baggage. So personal belongings of travelers. Another meaning of baggage is luggage, saman. Next one, antecedents. So कबल आने वाला साबिका या पहले वाक़यात. So ancestors, predecessors or parents. Next one, arbiter, salis, a person who has the power to settle an argument between people. Next one, encroached. So another meaning, tajawuzat, impinge, entrench. Another meaning, infringe. Next one, jurisdiction. So Dairakar, so the power or right to exercise authority, control or power over a specific area. Next one, uh, wife, WAIF, so Lawaras, street child, another meaning a stray person or a child. Next one, a legitimized, so to make something real, accepted or official. Next one, perceived. So the meaning of perceived is to notice or become aware of. Next one, temptation. So temptation, tama ya lalach. So allurement or enticement. Next one, preamble, tamheed banna. So the introductory part of a constitution or a statute are introductory statements. So the preamble in the Constitution of Pakistan is objective resolution. Now some more important vocabulary from an article, Ashraf Ghani Initiative, and this opinion has been written by Mudassir Ali Shah in Dawn, so you people can Google it. Basically, it's an old article, and I have collected these points since long, but now I am making and recording lectures on all my lectures. So the first one is cease fire, jang bandi, or truce, agreement to stop fighting a war for a period of time. So previously, a ceasefire was conducted between Israel and Hamas. Next one, slammed. So to criticize harshly. Next one, magnanimous. So azim, great hearted, sublime, noble, lordly, or high minded. Next one, parleys, baatcheet, negotiation, a conference for discussion of points in a dispute. Next one, substantive, uh, असली या बुनियादी, so supported by facts or logic. Next one, overture, so an initiative towards agreement or action or towards a proposal. Next one, reconciliation, mufahimat, so the act of causing two people or groups to become friendly again after some disagreement. Next one, nudging, so encourage to do something, dakka dena. And the last one is guerrillas, so a person who engage in irregular warfare, especially in harassment or in a sabotage. But the simplest meaning of guerrillas are those fighters who fought irregularly in a clandestine way. So it's all for today, and stick to Dawn Times for more videos and updates. Thank you and good luck.